Big bikes are back, and Suzuki just dropped a bombshell. Meet the 2026 RMZ 1050, a motocross monster with serious muscle. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just love big bore power, this one's turning heads for all the right reasons. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, let's get into it. Design. Right out of the gate, the RMZ 1050 looks mean. Suzuki kept the classic RMZ DNA, yellow plastics, aggressive stance, but with sharper lines, a slimmer tank, and updated aerodynamics for better airflow and rider comfort. It's a beast, but it's balanced. Performance. Now, let's talk power. The all-new 1050 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine delivers brutal torque down low and strong pull through the mid-range. Suzuki tuned it for a smoother delivery than you'd expect from something this big, and surprisingly, it doesn't feel overwhelming, just fast. The updated gearbox shifts crisp, and power delivery stays consistent lap after lap. Features and technology. The 2026 RMZ 1050 comes packed, multiple ride modes, traction control, launch assist, and a new ride-by-wire throttle system. Suspension's handled by Showa's latest setup, and the frame's been stiffened for better cornering without sacrificing flex. Even the ECU is tunable via a mobile app now, no laptop required. Conclusion. So, is the RMZ 1050 overkill, or the new king of the big bore class? We'll let you decide. Drop your thoughts in the comments, would you ride it? And if you enjoyed this review, hit like, share with your moto crew, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real takes on the latest rides.